Hi, I'm Debbie Tawarda with Remax Niagara, your guide to finding hidden gems in the Niagara region. And today I've got something special for you in the North End community of Lakeshore of St. Catharines. And picture this, a house that's not just a great place to live, but a totally empty canvas for your future. And talk about location. You are steps to the lake. Pine Grove School is just right in your backyard practically, and shops and transportation are just steps away. Welcome to 9 Pioneer Court. Built with love in 1979 and holding on to that charm ever since, you're gonna love what's inside. Look at all this space, over 1,000 square feet of it. This home is a classic raised bungalow with a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. Move-in ready, this house is in pristine condition and waiting for your special touch. Let's go downstairs. The basement's not just finished, it has its own entrance directly to the garage. Oh, you have got to see this. This super groovy mural makes you feel like you're in the woods in the fall time. I love finding retro touches like this. So, 9 Pioneer Court, quite a special place. I can't wait to show you this house in person. Call or text me at 905-321-9997. Cheers to Niagara.